Minasan konnichiwa, Hineki Dori desu. In this video, I'll be going over how to use the Suspend tool in Anki. For example purposes, I currently have Breadsticks expansion pack freshly loaded into Anki. The current setup for studying this deck gives me new cards in a randomized order. Seeing as this will pull cards from levels I am not ready to study, this is not optimal. So what do? This is where the Suspend tool comes into use. To begin, we will go to the browser and we will select the whole deck and click on Suspend. You can see here in the due field that the card queue is now in parentheses. This means that none of the decks are available for study now, as can be seen here. Now we want to open the level that we do want to study. So here we're going to take advantage of the tags that are already attached to each of the cards. We're just going to select the one for Wanikane level 1. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to select all and we're going to suspend. You can see in the due field that now the queue has deselected or removed the parentheses from the queue. This means now that the cards are open to study, and those are the only cards that are now open to study in the expansion pack, so just the level 1 stuff, and we still get to take advantage of the randomized order. The other use for the Suspend tool is actually when you study. So for the sake of example, we'll start with our first card, Coral. This card, maybe we just know it perfectly and we don't need it anymore, and we don't want to go and push it through the SRS. So we can go down here to More and just click on Suspend Card, and this will do just that card alone. And this is useful in the sense that if you do happen to forget it later on in the future, it's still in your deck and you can unsuspend it and bring it back. So these are the two methods that I use for the Suspend tool, and I hope you find it useful.